Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're facing the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error on your Windows PC, in today's guide we'll show you how to resolve this issue quickly and efficiently. So let's just dive right into the video. The first thing you can do is you can just head over and hit Windows plus R for that. And once you hit Windows plus R, you can just go ahead and type in appwiz.cpu. So just go ahead and enter it up and click on OK. And this opens up on your screen. Now what you need to do next is, so once this opens up, you can open it up and you can look out for Microsoft Visual C++, read distributable. After that, right click on it and you can follow up this option, click on change. You can go ahead and find this option called repair. Just go ahead and click on repair and wait for the setup to be completed, and that should repair the issue for you and see if that works. If once this is completed, you can also restart your computer and you should be finding this setup successful pop up on your screen. The next thing you can do is you can just head over and download the version for yourself. So you can head over to the official website and look out for the version that is compatible with your device. For example, if it is 464X, you can just go ahead and look out for the architecture of your device. And from there, you can just go ahead and download the version that is compatible for you. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and set it up and reuse it again. And that should fix the runtime error for you. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.